welcome to my channel. I just arrived at Kakaako World Center and we're going to get lunch in Kamitoku. Let's go. So parking is never an issue around Kakaako. I just parked in the South Shore Market. Here it is, Kamitoku. Kamitoku is origin from Japan. It was founded in a small town called Akasaki.
Hi, irashaimase. Kamitoku ramen desu.
Arigato.
Hi, dozo. Hi.
We have the divider to separate all the table for dining. The restaurant is definitely following the restriction rule in Hawaii. On this side, we're going to host a social event. That's why we have merged the table together. Our food is here. We're so lucky to get to try everything on the menu, from musubi, gyoza, and all kind of ramen.
Alright, Happy, so thank you for the food. What do we have here?
Oh, we have some of the best Japanese food here in Hawaii. If you can look right here, we have one of their ramens from Kamitoku Ramen. It's actually a beef broth from the Tottori region in Japan. It's incredibly delicious, and we just spilled it on the beef musubis that are right over there.
Sorry.
Here's a Breeze holding it.
I'm gonna eat it.
So as you can see, the theme of this restaurant is beef. Beef ramen. Okay. But we also have some beef croquettes too. Yes. And they also have sukimen. I don't know what you guys know about that, but it's actually it's a dip noodle type of ramen that we have. Look at this delicious stuff. We also have some gyoza, the famous gyozas that you guys all know. But I gotta show you the signature item of this restaurant. Oh. Look, it's spilling. It's called the BB King. Look at this bad boy. This is the thing you have to order when you're here. It's 2 pieces of giant of beef, 6 chicken kanage, a bunch of bean sprouts and menma and green onion all over ramen, as well as in that famous beef bone broth. Alright, so that is what you're going to try to find when you're here, okay?
Thank you so much.
You gotta get that BB King. I challenge you guys all to eat the whole thing by yourself. If you do, please tag Cat in Paradise and say, I finished it all, right? And follow me until we take.
Get her, Kabi. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We got the beefy king, guys. Look at those. It's for 3 people. Number 1 popular. Kenzo Estates.
A bit wider so you guys are everybody like look at it.
We're in. Don't get to eat it.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe or share with a friend. That will help me to grow my channel. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.